Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp couldn't link device. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First open the settings of your phone, and then navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. Here, make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. After that, go back and open the Play Store on your mobile device. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar and tap on it. Here, if Update button is showing, then tap on it and update the WhatsApp to the latest version available. Now, open the WhatsApp app and then tap on three dots at the top right. Here, select Settings from the drop-down menu. On this page, scroll down and tap on Help option shown here. Now, tap on Help Center and select Contact Us from this menu. Now, describe the issue as I'm describing here. Once done, tap on Next and tap on Send Question to WhatsApp from the bottom. WhatsApp team will respond you in 2 to 3 days and your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix WhatsApp couldn't link device. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.